he's got tricks and stuff.
Tricks.
I'm serious. Gumbos are finished cooking, right?
Well,
let's do the taste test. Okay, I'm gonna taste mine first and then let's switch. Okay.
Can I taste mine too?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. You taste yours. I taste mine.
Hot, isn't it?
Mmm. All right. Now switch. Mmm. Okay, let's see. I'm hot. Shit. You know what? It's like a hot. It's like it's hard making gumbo. Mmm. You know what?
What?
I think they were both really good. We're gonna let the family decide whose gumbo is best. To get the recipe, you know where to find me at allyinthevalley.com. I think this should be a monthly thing where we do our cook-off. I think that's what it is. I need a bowl of parsley.
We might need to add EB and C me.
All right, we can add your name, EB and C me. Okay. Cheers to our cook-off. I'm sweating. You got me working hard. So much fun.
Girl.